It's just a simple trash. What if I leave it here na lang? Total, isa lang naman. What can go wrong, diba? May paklego-klego pa. Kaya naman yan ng mga janitor eh. Bakit ko pa kailangan magdala ng water bottle? Eh, ang bigat-bigat kaya, mas okay nang bumili. Diyos mio, wag nga kayong OA. Ako lang naman ito eh. Paano naman ako makakatulong sa usaping climate change kung napakasimple lang ng mga aksyon na kaya kong gawin? We can all make a change. Even through the simplest of actions? Because the collective action of every individual makes a difference. For the restoration and beauty of nature, for the security and prosperity of our own tomorrow. I know that we may appear merely as tiny ants, but with your helping hand, we can create a blissful future. Will you be my helping hand?